together. This time I want to see if you can read them all by yourself and then check the picture to see if you got it right or not. If I go too fast, you can pause the video. But do the best you can to lasso together those beginning sounds and then say the rest of the word. Then put it all together. So I'm going to remind you one more time how to do the first word, and then you're going to do all the rest by yourself. So we're going to say bull, squish them together. Bull, b, makes blab. Now you're going to do the rest and check the picture to make sure what you said makes sense, looks right, and sounds right. Yay, you made it to the end. If there was some words where I scrolled too fast, you can start the video over again and you can pause it and try to see if you can figure out all the words by yourself and use the picture to make sure that you said the right word. Use your picture power to make sure it makes sense. Use your sound power to make sure that it sounds right, and use the words, the letters, to make sure that it looks right. With all these different words, and you might clam. All right, now you're going to skin.